Welcome back to Star Biker, where we break down the latest rides with clear and honest details. Today, let's talk about the 2025 Bajaj Platina 125. Design and build. The 2025 Platina 125 continues its simple, commuter-focused styling with subtle upgrades. It features a sleeker headlamp section, clean body lines, and improved ergonomics designed for long daily rides. The lightweight build makes it easy to handle in traffic and tight spaces. Engine and performance. Powered by a refined 125 cubic centimeters engine, the Platina delivers smooth power for city commuting. The updated tuning enhances fuel efficiency while maintaining enough torque for quick acceleration. Bajaj's focus on comfort and economy makes this engine ideal for everyday riders. Comfort and features. This model comes with an improved seat cushion, long travel suspension, and a well-tuned chassis that absorbs road imperfections effectively. It also includes a semi-digital instrument cluster, USB charging port, and better grip tires for stability. Mileage and practicality. Known for its exceptional mileage, the 2025 Platina 125 aims to offer one of the best fuel efficiency figures in the segment. Large fuel tank capacity, low maintenance costs, and durable components make it a practical choice for daily users. Conclusion. The 2025 Bajaj Platina 125 stands out as an efficient, comfortable, and budget-friendly commuter motorcycle. For riders who prioritize mileage and ease of use, this model continues to be a strong contender in the 125 cubic centimeters segment.